Oh, you got me booked!
Yes!
Oh, that's so cool.
Yes, we did.
Yo! Yo, guys.
Yeah, not for it, man.
I lost my slides, guys. I left them in the house. Oh, thank you, guys. I even lost Justin's.
Now you can replace.
Oh, guys.
Guys, so THABANG fans surprised him with so many gifts. But before I even go to that, guys, this was their after party after the AMVCA award. They entered to the after party. So most of the Titans were having their good time, and I believe some of them was even preparing to go back to South Africa, especially the African Titan housemates. So guys, you will not believe what these guys gave to Thabang. They gave him so many expensive designer wares, iPhone 14 Pro Max, PS5 that is expensive. So they bid him farewell with nice gifts, and he left Nigeria to South Africa, where his T-bangers in South Africa welcomed him in a grand style. Guys, this love is too much. I'm telling you, this love, this guy has made enough money in Nigeria that almost they will just start investing. PS5, iPhone 14 Pro Max, name them. So Bbnaija finally came to Nigeria and being picked up by her lover boy Miracle, and I know he has been there in the airport waiting for her for so long. You know that Bbnaija is a very fine girl. So most of the South African housemates are just coming down to Nigeria, guys, and he really welcomed her so well, guys. Just listen.
We're not even friends.
So guys, Mmeli was there too to welcome her, especially, do you get, with Miracle. I love the fact that she got a warm welcome.
Guys, Bbnaija in Nigeria! Oh boy! What are they saying? Yo, guys! Bbnaija, welcome to Nigeria!
Sorry guys, I've not welcomed you guys. You guys are welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sylvia, and you're welcome to my veil, Sylvia's Veil. So guys, Bbnaija attended the AMVCA award night. Look at how beautiful this girl is. She's just naturally beautiful. So guys, GCJ, you know, he's already back in Nigeria. He made some kind of gathering for the Bbnaija housemates and ex-Bbtitans. Do you get, like Bbnaija and Bbtitans sip and chill? So most of the Bbtitans housemates were there. I know you can see Olivia, Jenio, Nelissa, Yemi, Yvonne, GCJ, Marvin, Meli, name them. Plenty of them was there. Uti Wachuku, celebrities were there. Like, I feel people they rapport with very well. Some celebrities and some friends were there too, including Sammy and who else again? Most of the Bbnaija housemates came, and I don't understand what Marvin is wearing, but only God knows what he's wearing to that party. But I feel that they had enough mad fun in that party, and I like the fact that GCJ brought them together so that they can have fun and mix up. And I hope that when the Bbnaija housemates goes to South Africa, they welcome them this way that they did in Nigeria, because to be honest, our Nigerian people really welcome these housemates with our full heart and in a very grand style. So nobody was, you know, treated like maybe this is a tribalism or stuff. Everybody was just welcomed in a very sweet and amazing way. So speaking about the housemates, guys, the next video I'm about to show you, please don't go, because more gist is coming. The next video I'm about to show you is about the last Bbnaija season 7 set, meaning Bella, Shakes, Fina, Elo Swag. I think Bbnaija was in that party, guys. It was seeming as though like Fina and Elo Swag were all lovey-dovey, and I could remember very well, vividly, Bella saying let them take themselves back to week 1 in the house, which is true because during that period Beauty and Groovy was still all lovey-dovey, while Fina was after Elo Swag, but Elo Swag has something for Shumsy, guys. But unknown to them that maybe towards the house the whole stuff is going to get sour. And in this video I wonder how our Chumsy is going to be feeling about it right now, but maybe she has moved on. But guys, just look at the video of Fina twerking and shaking as jiggling her ass in front of Elo Swag. They were having fun. I think it was a club night or something. Bella was the one behind the camera that is videoing them. So guys, I don't know what is going on in this video, but I just assume they are just trying to cash cruise. That's what I feel. But if you have your own point of view, please, I would like to get that in the comment section. No offense, but I was wondering how Chumsy is going to feel about it after this reunion. We don't know what is happening, which is why I really want to know what happened in this reunion, guys, because it seems as though that it's just 3 days they shot this reunion and we are yet to see it. Maybe it's by June that they will show us the reunion or stuff, but we can't wait to see what happened in the reunion, because you can see how these housemates were having fun and enjoying themselves. Do you get? So I know by now some ship is already shattered, apart from Bella and Shakes that we're still seeing, and some friendship may have been broken. So talking about the Bbnaija housemate, Dora, you all know Dora in lockdown season in Bbnaija. She just stated her story, how she was about planning to go to Canada to school, but she has no money to do that. But God was just faithful. She now applied for Bbnaija. She got it, and she got the stability of going back to her dream, which is studying in Canada. So guys, she was even encouraging people from her own story that their story can also even be better than hers. It's just to be patient and keep struggling, and you will definitely get there. So a big congratulations to Dora for achieving her dreams. In case you don't know who Dora is, this is Dora, the Bbnaija lockdown season housemate. So I like the fact that she coming into the house, she gave the people that are plus size the confidence of appreciating themselves and being themselves from the day she stepped into the house. And if you don't know, she is the first runner up, yeah, after Lekon being the winner. She's the first runner up of the lockdown season, and due to the way she represented it very well, like being so confident and appreciated herself, I think people fall in love with her the more. So if you've seen my video at this point, thank you so much for always stopping by, and thank you so much for seeing to this level. I love you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly hit that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.